Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Cecilys Natural. In this video I'm going to be showing you my pamper routine, what I like to do at home for a nice little spa day. So the first thing I like to do is start off by plucking my eyebrows. For some reason these eyebrow places just do not understand what keep them thick means. So I like to just pluck my eyebrows at home, so I don't have to worry about them being real skinny or anything. So yeah, that's the first thing I always do. So I've been loving this baking soda face wash. It's really been cleansing my face so good and really been helping with the breakouts and stuff. So I like to really go in and really cleanse my face really well. I do use this face cleanser every morning and night, so it's not just on my pamper day. But then I go in with this Soap and Glory detox scrub. Oh my gosh, it just has my face feeling so good. And I'm going to be mixing it with this face scrub I got off of Pinterest. It's just sugar, aloe vera, tea tree oil, and coconut oil. So after I scrub my face with the Soap and Glory for a little bit, then I add the DIY face scrub on top of that and just scrub the mess out of my face. I just feel like it really gets all the dead skin cells and everything off of my face. Once I'm done, my skin just looks so much better and it just be glowing, and yeah, it just feels so good. And on top of the Soap and Glory, it really has like a nice tingling feel to your face, and I love face washes like that. So yeah, I just really go in and scrub my face really good. So next I'm going to go in with this pumpkin enzyme mask. This mask makes your face feel so good and tingly, like you really know it's working and it's doing something. So then after I apply that, then I'm just going to go get things ready for my bath. So I'm going to be using the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles candle from Bath & Body Works. Oh my gosh, I've been obsessed with this candle. It just smells so good. And then I'm going to be using 2 lavender candles. Lavender is very calming for you, and I think it's just perfect for a nice relaxing spa day. So once I start running my bath water and put my bubbles in there, I like to just set everything up on my bath tray. And I've been loving this book, Do Not Sweat the Small Things, and it's all small stuff. This book is so good. The title tells it all. I like to put a little flowers down, and of course, I gotta have my glass of wine. And then then I like to just get in the tub and do what you're supposed to do in the tub. I use that same DIY scrub that I use for my face. I like to scrub my body with that. Makes your skin feel so extremely soft. And then I would just, drink my wine, read some of my book for that day. And I like to just get on Pinterest. I am obsessed with Pinterest. And I'll just scroll through a couple of my motivational apps that I like to use. I've been loving Eternal Sunshine and the Sprinkle of Jesus app. So then I like to just cut the lights off for a little while and just chill and relax. And of course I rinse off my mask and do my toner, lotion up, and do things like that. And by then I'm so relaxed, I'm ready to just knock out for the night. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.